Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we're going to show you how to activate your Royal Bank Virtual Visa debit card on RBC app. If you don't have a Royal Bank account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put affiliate links for similar bank accounts for you to sign up in case if you're interested. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Now, sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you will see your accounts. Tap on Checking. On this screen, you will see an option for Lock or Replace your card. Tap on Lock or Replace your card. Now here, scroll down and you will see an option for Activate Virtual Visa Debit. Tap on Activate Virtual Visa Debit. You will then be directed to this screen and see how Virtual Visa Debit works. Scroll down and you will see a button for Activate Visa Debit. Tap on Activate Visa Debit. Then follow the on-screen instructions and prompts to finish activating the card. That's how you activate your Royal Bank Virtual Visa Debit card on RBC app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.